Do you know what is the working principle of the welding machine? In layman's terms, it is the use of positive and negative poles in the instantaneous short circuit generated by the high-temperature arc, to melt the welding rod and the material to be welded so that the two are fused into a whole. The main component of this equipment is the welding machine box inside the transformer. This transformer and high-voltage power supply with a different transformer. Ordinary transformer is in the normal state of work, while the transformer inside the welding machine is close to the short-circuit state of work. The main task is to increase the current on the output side and reduce the voltage. Outside the red is the coil, inside is the iron core. Iron core is a hole from a distance. Close up, in fact, it is composed of a number of silicon steel sheet superposition. The reason why it should be divided into a piece, because the transformer works with magnetic resistance, will produce eddy currents and heat, composed of multiple pieces in order to reduce the transformer heat and reduce iron loss. The humming sound when working is the vibration between the silicon steel sheets under the AC magnetic field. The transformer of the welding machine is a two-winding transformer. The following two groups are the primary winding. The two sets of coils are connected in parallel. The primary coil has a high voltage but low current, and the coil has more turns but a thinner wire. On the contrary, the secondary winding above the resistor, which is connected to the load, has fewer turns but a thicker wire, because the secondary coil has a low voltage but a high current. Its working principle is the use of electromagnetic induction. Because the primary winding and secondary winding are in the same core, the primary winding will be electrical energy to the core. The core produces an alternating magnetic field and then the magnetic energy to the secondary winding, so that the secondary winding produces induced electromotive force.